Right, folks, we just left Wally's there where we got a cheeseburger, a hot dog and chips just down there. There's people standing there, I don't know what to film them, but ordered a cheeseburger and it was really, really good. Jacqueline, she enjoyed her hot dog. Just chips, but the chips were nice. You enjoyed it, didn't you, Hannah? Jacqueline, did you enjoy your hot dog? Aye, that was good. Aye. They had Wagyu burgers and stuff, but I didn't really fancy that. I don't know. Just a fancy burger. Burger's a burger, you know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe next time. Just thought I'd show you some. Oh, there's. See here, you can get these. You get these bags, and you can. Well, I don't know if you can hire. I think you can hire them, and it's for fondue. So you get a wee fondue set, and you just go hiking up the mountains and have your fondue. Would you like to go hiking up the mountain with your fondue?
No.
No. Jacqueline doesn't like cheese. No, you don't like cheese, do you, Hannah? No. Oh, I forgot my microphone, so if I'm not sounding too clear, I apologise for that. But just going to show you a wee bit more. There's a kind of restaurant and hotel. One thing about, oh look, there's Gstaad Palace. I don't know if this is going to come across too good in this video, but there's the Gstaad Palace. It's maybe a bit too opulent for my liking, but maybe one day I'll stay in it. If you watch Walk With Me Tim, if you type in Walk With Me Tim, I stayed in the most expensive town in the world. He stays in that and he shows you the video, and it's wow, it's utter luxury. I'd feel like a place paying that kind of money for something like that, but I don't know. Look, there's the kind of fountain thing, the community clock. Drinking water. ACS. This is like fresh kind of spring water, isn't it? You going to try something? You want to try some fresh water? Aye. Aye. I'll try this. I'll try to angle it right. Nothing special, just water. You going to try it? I know, I don't know. I just thought it might be different. You want to try it?
No.
She's not want to try it. Don't want to try anything. So, let's see what else we've got here. We stroll at night. That's Prada. Honey. You got some overpriced clothes. That's Prada. We'll try doing this way. See what's in here. There's a better view of the palace. Well, this must be the way to go up to it, so we can do this tomorrow. You having problems again? I should say, folks, it might look like Jacqueline's struggling with a wheelchair, which you might think it's the roads, but it's not. It's actually her wheelchair. It kind of veers to the side for some reason. It's just one of the things. It's always been like that. So, but apart from that, if you were in your normal wheelchair, Jacqueline, do you think it would be good for you?
Yeah.
Aye. Aye. It's very, very disabled friendly. Some of the shops have steps going in, but I'd imagine they'd have some ramps or something like that. And see the kind of building regulations in Gstaad. All the buildings, all the designer shops and that, they've got to be built in a kind of chalet style. Let's see, I'll just show you some more shops here. We're coming up to the end of this. I thought it'd be a bit more here, but I think we'll turn back. Let's see what this is. It's just, is it jewellery? Aye. Still getting much in the window, but 3,150 Swiss francs for that, loved. 6,500 for a pair of earrings, is that no? 5,500 for a pair of earrings? What, the weird thing we've been doing? Aye, that's what happens, aye. Aye, no, it's quite good at that, but aye. No, we'll go back down this way. 5,500 for a pair of earrings. There's probably very expensive stuff here, to be honest. Well, very expensive earrings, maybe. Aye, it kind of beeps a wee bit randomly. But it's a lifesaver, say for going on holiday, it's great. The only place I don't really like taking an electric chair to is London. I had a bad experience there once, didn't we, honey? Yes, ended up it broke down and we had to push it. Getting taxis and stuff. So London, I just take a push chair. I find it's easier. See if it's in a crowd, it forces the two of us to go at the same speed. Whereas with this chair, it's quite slow. So I've got a tendency to walk ahead of her, whereas our other chair, she tends to bugger off and leave me in the distance. So we're just talking about. I think we'll take a wee walk down here and then maybe head back and go to the pub. And we'll see what it's like in the pub. Let's see. This is quite cool, but I don't know if they'll go down, will they? No. Right, go right through the centre now. I thought there'd be barriers might go down there with Jacqueline's wheelchair, but it's not recognised them. So let's see. So it's sort of dark down here. I don't think there's much. Oh, it's that. This it. Having problems. Right, go left. Few problems with Jacqueline's wheelchair there, but nothing to do with Gstaad, just the thing with it. Yeah, some, it's kind of artwork or something. Is it art? Aye, I think it is art. Or decorations. I don't know what to make of that cactus. Would you want that big cactus on it? No. Do you not like a cactus? No. What's wrong with that cactus? Somebody's worked their arse off to create that. Aye, the ugliest looking thing ever. It's probably one of the most expensive things ever. What about the chair? Look at the chair. I quite like that actually. Don't know if I'd have a house done up like that, but no. Oh, well I know where we are. This is the wee river, and I try to keep my videos to less than 10 minutes, so I'll be back in a wee second, honey. Right, because I'm going to show you something. I think it's here. Oh, I'm not sure. There's a school. There's a school that is the most expensive school in the world, or one of them, one of the most expensive boarding schools. I don't think it's there. I'll maybe try and find it later. But there you go. Look at the river. looking at that there. So that's that for another video. So please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see what else brings in my next couple of videos. We'll see. Right, take care. Bye bye.